Hey guys, it's me. Like you didn't know that. I just wanted to show you this. If you, sometimes it's good you can find a source to buy grains in bulk. In a lot of places you can just go to a grain elevator. I don't know, I got these from a guy up north. And it's, I know it's packed in, in wood pellet bags, but that's not what it is. And when you get it, if you buy the cheap stuff, like of course I do, it's not cleaned. And it's really freaking full of grain dust. I don't know if you can see that. You can see it on my fingers, that grain dust. And before I put it in to store, so I put it into, clean it and put it into bags like this. And then I put those into barrels and bins and store that. It's animal feed and it would be fine for people in an emergency, but this is wheat. I like to clean it a bit before the first thing so that every time we get into it to feed the animals, we're not getting into dust. And this is a little cleaner doohickey. It's very simple. We have the shop vac and the hose comes up. And I've just got that duct tape there. This is 2-inch, fits just right. Duct tape is good enough seal. A little, see if I can zoom out, a little 2-inch pipe down here. This is a 3-inch by 2-inch ABS Y. You want that angle because that helps keep good grain from being sucked in. And then a funnel. This is just the top of like a 3-gallon water jug that somebody left a bunch of here when they were staying, and then a little 3-inch pipe. And I've just got it tied to my trailer for convenience, and it dumps into that bin. And I could very easily, if I had a helper, have somebody just fill in the bags direct at the bottom of this, but I'm on my own here, so anyway, you can see good grain, no dust. You know, now if you were going to eat this for people, you would want to, you know, wash it and pick through it before you ate it, because there's little oddball seeds and stuff in there. But doing it this way, you know, I can buy a lot of grain. This is about almost 2 tons. And it's cheap. You know, it's about 18 bucks a bag right now, almost 19 in the feed stores for wheat. And it's hit and miss as far as the quality you get. And I got this for about 1/4 to 1/3 of that price. So, you know, just buy it once, do it once, and then it's packed up and stored, and my chickens are fed for a year. And we use this for, the chickens absolutely love wheat. Straight, but it's also great for turning into fodder. Might do a video on that someday, although there's lots of videos on the internet about that. But yeah, you basically just turn on the vacuum, dump the wheat in the top, and it dumps out the bottom. And I mean, do a little demonstration. Get a bin of wheat. I don't know if I can do this while holding the camera, but you guys get the idea. The wheat goes in the top, and it comes out the bottom. And you can process an awful lot really quick with this setup. Now, at the end, I'm sorry about this handheld camera, but like I said, I'm on my own here, guys. At the end of the day, you will get some grain in your vacuum, and you can decide if you want to process that again. I just cleaned this out, but see, there's a little bit of grain in there, but mostly it's dust. And I can process it again, or I can just say, screw it, or just dump it in the chicken coop. Any way you slice it. And every few hundred pounds probably, you know, you blow out the filter there. Just got a little air compressor here, just to keep the vacuum up to snuff. But that's about 99% plus effective, so that's good by me. And keeps us out of the dust. You know, I tried using a fan in the past, you know, where you set up a fan and kind of winnow it and it blows the dust away. And that does kind of work, but you usually need a couple of passes through the fan. And you also, it's like trying to avoid the smoke around a campfire, you know, except much less pleasant. No matter how you position it and everything, it always ends up in a big cloud of dust blowing right back in your face. So this is really good because you don't get, you know, your lungs get to live another day. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. Hope this didn't give you seasickness, me moving it around so much.